Hello friends, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to discuss about the modify tools. Until now we had discussed about the drawing creation toolbars. Now we are going to discuss about the modify toolbar. Modify toolbar, you can find it in the right corner. These are all the modify toolbars. So in this we are going to discuss about erase, move and copy options. So this is the command for erase. If you just click on this, it will ask you to select object. So first I'll draw one line and then select this option and then give enter or space bar. The shortcut key for the erase command is E. If you type E here, it will show you the erase command. You can just select and then if any object is there, you can select the object and then erase it. Just I'm going to draw the rectangle. See, type the command E and then it will ask you to select the object. Select and then give enter or space bar. Next, let's discuss about the move command. This is the move command. It moves the object a specified distance in a specified direction. So for this we need some objects. Just I'm going to draw one line, one rectangle, one circle. So using the move command, I'm going to show you how we can move the object from one place to other place. Now select this move command and then select this object. After that you have to press enter or space bar and it will ask you to specify the base point. You can select this as a base point or this as a base point according to your convenience. So I'm selecting this as a base point and then I'm going to move this line in the horizontal direction of 20 feet. Okay. See, the line is moved 20 feet. Now I'm going to do the same thing. Instead of selecting the move command again, what you can do is you can just press enter. The previous command will be activated. In AutoCAD, that is one advantage. If you wanted to use the same command again and again, you don't need to go to that command toolbar or you don't need to enter the shortcut key. Just if you press enter, again the same command will be repeated. Select this object and then now I'm going to select this as my base point. After that you can move in this direction or in this direction or in this direction, whatever the direction you want, and if you give the dimension it will move to that specified distance, or else if you just wanted to move to some distance, you can just move like this. I'll show you once again with this rectangle. Select this move command, select this object, press enter or space bar and you have to select the base point. This base point may be any one corner of the rectangle or anywhere you can click. Even here also you can click and then just move in this direction or in this direction or downward or in this direction. So I'm going to move upward about 10 feet distance. It is moved upward 10 feet distance. Let's do it with the circle. I'm going to move this circle and place it in the center of this rectangle. Just press enter. So again it will be, the move command will be activated. Select this object, press enter. I'm selecting this center of the circle as my base point and you can place the circle over here. Wherever you want you can place. Just I'm placing this circle in this midpoint like this. I'm just taking this circle out like this. That's all about this move command. Next we can move on to copy command. So copy command tool is this one. This is the copy command. It is very simple, as the name suggests. You can copy object and then paste it. Just click on this command and then select object, enter, similar to move command only, and then you can give the distance, specify the base point. So from this point I want to copy this object at a distance of 5 feet. See, at a distance of 5 feet it is copied. Again if you want, this is our base point. See, at 5 feet distance I want 5 circles. So in that case I am going to give again 10 feet and 15 feet, 20 feet. See how it is copied. This is how you have to do the copy command. For the copy command, the shortcut key is CO. If you type CO, it will show you the copy command. Select this one and select this object, give enter, and then you can copy however you want. Any direction you can copy. Just drag and paste. That's it. And if you switch off this ortho mode, even in any direction you can paste. How much number of copies you want, you can paste like this. So friends, I hope you all learned about move and copy command. That's all about this lecture. Let's meet in the next lecture.